We're going to compare the personal loans from Achieve and Best Egg. We've spent years working in the lending industry and we track dozens of lenders. We want to break down these two lenders so that you can see which one might be better for your situation. The first thing that we're going to look at are the loan amounts that they offer. Achieve's minimum loan amount is $5,000, which means that it probably isn't where you want to start if you need just a little bit of money to cover a short-term emergency. Best Egg's minimum loan amount is $2,000. So if you're looking for just a little bit of money to handle an emergency, Best Egg offers a little bit more flexibility on the low side. If you're looking for a more substantial amount of money, both Best Egg and Achieve will lend as much as $50,000. I will point out that Best Egg will allow you to stack multiple Best Egg loans. Of course, we don't ever want to get buried in debt, but the ability to stack loans can mean that you can initially borrow just the bare minimum of what you need. That way you know that you can go back if you run into further trouble. For both of these lenders, it's important to remember that the amount that they offer you will depend on your particular financial situation. Loans from Achieve have terms between 2 and 5 years. Best Egg's terms range from 3 years to 5 years. I am a little bit concerned about a 3-year loan being the lowest term length. If you're borrowing less than $3,000, you should try to avoid terms longer than 2 years. That's just too long to be paying interest for what should be a short-term loan. The most common type of borrowing for a personal loan is unsecured. That means that you don't have to put up any collateral to secure the loans. I like unsecured loans because additional financial setbacks are less likely to create the domino effect on your finances. Both Achieve and Best Egg also offer secured loans. A secured loan is one where you put up collateral to guarantee the loan. The most common form of collateral is the title to your motor vehicle. If you have trouble repaying the secured loan, the company can repossess your collateral, in this case your automobile. This can make a bad financial situation worse. But there are benefits to a secured loan. It's easier to get approved, to get a larger loan amount, and to get a lower APR. If you are a homeowner, you might also qualify for a home equity loan with Achieve. A home equity loan is just a secured loan with your home acting as the collateral. Again, if you struggle to repay, you are putting your home at risk. But the rates tend to be much lower for home equity loans because property is a really reliable source of value. We'll highlight Achieve because they offer more loan options. Now let's look at the cost of the loans. Both Achieve and Best Egg offer a minimum APR of 8.99%. Similarly, their maximum APRs both cap out at 35.99%. That lower rate is pretty good, so we'll highlight that. But that top rate isn't anything special, so we won't highlight it. Achieve charges an origination fee that will be between 1.99% and 6.99%. Best Egg's origination fees range between 0.99% and 8.99%. Best Egg has a wider range, so I'm not sure who to highlight. The origination fee is a percentage of the borrowed amount that comes out of the proceeds of the loan. If you borrow $10,000 and have a 5% origination fee, you will receive $9,500, but you'll still need to repay the $10,000. Remember that the origination fee is accounted for in the APR. The APR is the origination fee plus the interest rate. All things being equal, you want a lower origination fee if you plan on paying your loan off early. Paying off early will save you on the interest that you would have paid, but you don't get a reimbursement on the origination fee. Both Achieve and Best Egg target borrowers who have fair credit scores. Based on my research, I believe they lend to people with credit scores between 620 and 700. Of course, the lower you go down in that range, the less likely you are to be approved. These are guidelines. Lenders don't usually use credit score to determine eligibility. They usually use information like payment history, debt-to-income ratios, utilization, income, stuff like that. Achieve will accept a cosigner on their loans, but Best Egg does not. A cosigner is someone who agrees to pay off the loan if you fail to repay it. If you can qualify for a loan that you need, there's little reason to entangle a loved one in the process. But if you have a spouse or a loved one that has a stronger credit profile than you do, adding them as a cosigner might make all the difference in getting the loan that you need. It's good that Achieve offers this option. If you are using the loan to consolidate credit card balances or other debt, both Achieve and Best Egg will directly pay off those other creditors with the proceeds of the loan for you. It's convenient when a lender will do that, but it also shows that the lender understands that the loan will replace the other debts and not just stack on top of them. Because of that, the new loan won't change your debt to income ratio. That should make it easier to be approved by them. Achieve focuses on debt consolidation and paying off debt, so it makes sense that they would offer this service. But it's good that they both do offer it. Best Egg does not offer any discounts that can lower the interest rate that you pay, but Achieve will offer several. You can get an interest rate discount if you are using the loan to consolidate other debts, as well as if you include a co-borrower or cosigner. Perhaps most unusually, Achieve will also give you a discount if you show that you have some retirement savings. If you are late on a payment, Achieve will charge either $15 or 5% of the late amount, whichever is higher. Best Egg will charge you a flat rate of $15. These are pretty standard rates, but I am going to highlight Best Egg because there won't be anything higher than $15. So let's summarize the personal loans offered by Achieve and Best Egg. You can see that Achieve offers more flexibility in the types of loans that they offer. It allows you to add a cosigner and offers you more discounts. But Best Egg will offer a lower loan amount and potentially lower fees. I think either of these companies would be a good lender. But for many people, the most important thing about a loan is whether you can get the money that you need at the lowest possible APR. That's why we always recommend that before you accept a loan, you should shop around. Find the best deal. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you visit our marketplace page, you can apply to any one of our featured lenders. Behind the scenes, we'll check your rate with up to 40 other lenders. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. We will show you all of the approved offers so that you can pick the loan that's best for you. If you have any questions about either one of these lenders that we didn't cover, leave a comment below and we'll try to get it answered. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.